Do you ever feel like that you have closet full of clothes but still doesn't have anything to wear? या फिर सारा दिन Pinterest पे बैठ के outfit scroll and save करते हो but nothing feels personal to you, everything feels off? Well, maybe the problem is not the clothes. Maybe it's that you have not discovered your personal style yet. So, hi, my name is Mahima Suneja, and I'm your very own personal stylist and an image consultant. And today I'm going to help you find out your personal style step by step in a very easy and a realistic way. So, first of all, what are power words? Power words are 3 to 5 words that describes how do you want to look, how do you want to feel, and what kind of energy you want your style to give. Because building a wardrobe needs clarity. Maybe you want to look classy, feminine, elegant, cool, bold, effortless, luxurious. Everyone's words will be different, but honestly, everyone starts shopping even before understanding these terms, which is why you have a wardrobe full of clothes but nothing feels personal. So I would highly request you to take a moment, take a pause, and understand these words. If somebody describes your style in 3 words, what those words are going to be? What would you want them to say about you? Would you want them to think she looks very elegant, she looks very classy, or very cool even without trying? Or maybe you want them to think she looks expensive all the time, because these words become your direction. Once you know your direction, styling, shopping becomes much more easier. So now that you know your power words, the next step is to understand your style type. There are 7 universal style types that exist in the universe. Most of us are a mix of 2 or 3 style types. So let's understand these. Classic style. Classic style is basically timeless, elegant, and very polished. Think of Deepika Padukone. Structure silhouettes, neutral colors, classic styles, and sophisticated vibes. If you naturally like very polished and elegant clothes, you may lean towards classic style. Romantic style. Romantic style is soft, feminine, and very dreamy, just like Alia Bhatt. Flowy silhouettes, soft makeup, delicate jewelry, or feminine details. If your vibe feel very soft and pretty, maybe romantic style suits you. Dramatic style, bold and statement making, just like Sonam Kapoor. Sharp silhouettes, fashion forward outfits, and bold styling. These people naturally stands out. Natural style, just like Anushka Sharma, very casual, very effortless. If you want to look stylish without being overdone, yes, this is your type. Creative style, just like Urfi Javed, very experimental and very unique clothes. If you vibe with her, this is your type. Glam style, just like Malaika Arora या फिर Disha Patni. Confident, glamorous and body hugging clothes. If you like body hugging silhouettes and dramatic cuts, this is your type. And the last one is modern chic. Think of Priyanka Chopra, trendy yet very, very stylish, fashion forward. And if you fall into this category, then this style is for you. And remember, you don't need to fall into one category. You can be a combination of 2 or 3 categories. Like you can be classy and romantic, creative and feminine, or natural or dramatic. Your style should feel like you. Now comes the most important step, wardrobe audit. And trust me, this step changes the entire game. Open your wardrobe and divide your clothes into 3 categories. Love it. The clothes that you genuinely like, you feel confident in, the clothes that feels like you, जिनको आप repeatedly पहनना पसंद करते हैं. Now the maybe category. Maybe you like them but you can never wear them, or maybe they don't fully vibe with you anymore. या maybe आप उनको थोड़ा सा tweak करके अपनी style में adjust करके पहन सकते हो. And then the no category. Those random purchases जिनको आपको बिल्कुल पहनना पसंद नहीं है, they don't suit you, maybe you don't feel comfortable in them, or maybe you bought them because someone else was wearing them. So you should really throw them away. Because your wardrobe should support your identity and not confuse it. And now comes the most fun part. It's my favorite part too, because आपको कुछ नहीं करना. Go to your Pinterest, open your Pinterest and keep scrolling, and randomly जो भी picture, जो भी outfit आपको पसंद आए, just keep saving them. Don't overthink, just keep saving them. And after around 50 to 100 pictures, just start noticing the pattern. Ask yourself, are you the person who likes neutral clothes? Are you the person who likes soft clothes, feminine, oversized, edgy, etc.? And slowly you'll start understanding and seeing your style visually. Please don't save those outfits because they are trendy. Save them because you really like them. Save what you actually feels like. Build your wardrobe. Now this is where the intentional shopping starts. Not emotional shopping, not trend, but actually intentionally shopping for clothes that really feels like you. So first make a list according to your style. For example, your style is classy plus feminine. Your wardrobe needs white shirt, a beige trouser, elegant tops, neutral heels, delicate jewelry, and timeless bags. If your vibe feels very natural and relaxed, maybe your wardrobe needs oversized shirts, relaxed denim, casual sneakers, linen pants, and layering basics. And before you buy anything, please ask yourself, does this match my power word? Can I style them in multiple ways? Does this actually feels like me? And if not, please don't buy them because it's trending. And I hope by following these 5 steps, you'll be easily able to understand your personal style. And trust me, once you understand your personal style, shopping becomes very easy. Fashion becomes so much easier for you. Stop wasting your money on random clothes. You feel more confident in it, and people start recognizing your style. Because personal style is not you becoming someone else, it's about you becoming more you. And I hope you find this video very useful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to take any personal guidance on how you can style yourself better, you want to know your personal style, or you want to know the colors that suits you, you can DM me on Instagram and I'll be happy to help you. Thank you for watching.